Hello everyone, welcome to one more session for the discussion of subsets. We have already discussed some basics about subsets in previous videos. Today we will discuss further about a small change between a subset and a proper subset. Let's go. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 2, 1, 3, 4, what we do first is we start selecting one element each from the first set. Start checking whether it exists in the second set. If we find that all the elements exist, immediately we say that it is a subset. But we will not further check in the second one whether it exists more or less. So if that is the case, what happens? Let us see. Say in the first case, all elements of A are also the elements of B, right? 1, yes, 1 exists. 2, 2 exists. 3, 3 exists. 4, 4 exists, right? So when all the elements exist exactly at the same time, are they equal? Yes, they both are equal also. So first of all, the definition of subset of A, subset of B, if you want to define, we know that for all element belonging to A, the same element also belongs to B, we know it is subset. But if I take this as statement 1, at the same time, if I say that they both are equal because the same numbers are present in both of them, then from these two statements 1 and 2, I can say A is a subset of B. Means there are two options. It can be a proper subset, at the same time it can also be equal. Both possibilities are present. So we say A is a subset of B. Now look at the example A and C. A 1, 2, 3, 4, C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this case again let us check one by one the elements. Okay. All the elements of A are also the elements of C. What do you mean by that? Check one by one. 1 belongs to A. Does 1 belongs to C? Yes. 2 belongs to A. 2 belongs to C? Yes. 3 belongs to A. 3 belongs to C? Yes. 4 belongs to A. 4 also belongs to C? Yes. We only check this much and we can say that all the elements of A are also present in C. Means A is a subset of C. But C contains one extra element. Even if 1, 2, 3, any number of extra elements are there, then C becomes a bigger set than A, right? Then A is surely smaller than C. Then we say for example, there exists 5. See, this is a new symbol you are looking at. It's like the reverse of E, right? Inverted E. That is nothing but there exists. We read it as there exists. So there exists a 5 which belongs to C. See, 5 belongs to C. But 5 does not belong to A. 5 does not belong to A. See, so which set do I write first here? 5 belongs to C. C I wrote first. Then I wrote 5 does not belong to A. A I wrote second. Correct? That means A is smaller than C. That's why C contains a bigger number. One number more compared to A. So we write A is a subset of C. It cannot be equal this time. It's surely smaller. So we read it as A is a proper set of C. See, look at the difference between the symbol here. When you say proper subset, only the subset symbol exists. If you don't say proper subset, there is one extra line below this, that is equal to line, right? So try to understand the difference. If the sizes of both of them are same, we say it is subset when we have an equal to symbol below that. But if the first set is smaller than the second one in numbers, then because of the number of elements not being equal, we say it is a proper subset. Now let us try to identify them. Let us try to identify in few practice problems. See, in the following pairs of sets, mention proper subset. I hope you remember proper subset means first set is smaller than the second set, at least by one element. It can be more than one element also. Or subset. In this case, it can be equal also. So if you find equal sets, please use this symbol. That is subset symbol. Not proper subset, just subset. Or if you feel that the first one is not a subset of second one, if you find one element at least in the first set which is not in second set, then you can say that it is not a subset. So use any one of these three appropriately and fill in the blanks. Here are some sets given to you: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Elements are in their brackets or braces or flower brackets. This is what you have to solve. You have got only 16 problems, not much. You are supposed to put any one of these three symbols: proper subset, subset, or not a subset. The decision is yours. And in case you find any problems, not understanding, or you have doubts regarding this topic, please mention in the comment section. I'll try to clarify your doubts in the next coming up videos. Thank you.